Hello. um, it's working for half of how it's supposed to work. Um, I've you can see here the two wires. I made another pad for 220 that is going to the relay that is there. Yeah, there. And this is the live wire, these two, and they are shielded. Each of the wire is having two wires inside it. So this wire here is having two wires, and this one also two wires. And it's having, I think, is coaxial wire. Is having in one metal wire that is having a tube of plastic on over it, an insulator, and then another mesh of metal outside of this plastic insulator, and then over that metal mesh is this plastic insulator again. So there are two metal wires, conductors, and two isolators, and I think it's called a coaxial. And each internal wire is connected to the mains inside the wall there, behind the board. And as you can see here, I managed somehow. They are very fragile, those wires, and very tiny, and it's not good. But I managed to drag this white wire that you see here is linked to there, and that is a copper, more thicker wire, and is grounded. And this way I grounded this mains wires. And here you can see the ground wire, actually ground, the connection, which is with a piece of scotch there, but it's working fine. Now, this is my test with the shielded wires, and it's not working. I mean, it's working, but on half as it should work. Check it out. How is behaving. It shouldn't stay on, and now is pay attention to this LED here. It stay on and then it's flickering. Pick, you see? And let's see again. And probably to the red LEDs here, they are flickering a little bit. It's staying a little bit, and then it's it's flickering, and is commutating again, and then it's not vibrating anymore. Why is that happening? I have no idea. Without my hand, of course, and I can show you at a certain distance. Yeah, you see? Yeah, it clicked. I will do it again. And I'm at a certain distance. Come on, little shit. No, you don't want to work? Of course you don't want to work. Hadi pole. Okay, so from the distance, come on, yeah. So I'm not affecting it. That's what I'm trying to explain here. I'm not affecting it after I'm doing the switch. Now I'm back. I'm not affecting with my body presence, and it's just by itself. So that's why I'm calling it. It's kind of working. It's staying lit all the time, which it shouldn't. The original idea was to keep it unpowered, but yeah, it's kind of working. One step closer, one step closer. Ah, yeah, and 1000 nerves. Okay, I will try other things. Also, I will try to move the relay from there. I have to operate that, to take it out, to yeah, it's not nice. It's not nice. But I will do it because I was very curious how these shielded wires will work, and they are not, unfortunately, and I'm very disappointed. And yeah, those are proper shielded. They have a very quality mesh, metal mesh inside it, and they are just awesome as wires go. I believe they are doing the another suspicion that I have is this board, because it's linked there. It probably is affecting the board itself, the cardboard, in some way. If I'm putting my hands, is nothing, but I remember before it was influencing. Another test, when I was touching the board, it was influencing the behavior. Now it's fine, but I think is a little bit influenced. And the entire circuit is somehow exposed to those live wires. And it is not a good idea to get those live wires from there to there. I think it's more practical to put the relay inside it and drag only the 5 volts. But I'm stupid and I'm trying everything. I'm trying the original intention, the original design right now, which sucks. It didn't work, but nothing works from first try. You must make many tries to make something like this work. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you very much for your help. You really helped me to push it uphill because it was like a boulder, like a rock, very hard to push it uphill, up on a hill. And I didn't reach the top of the hill yet, but I'm very close with it, and I'm not leaving it. I will push it further, especially now when it's almost at the end. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much, and see you next time. All right, goodbye. Okay, this is how I linked inside. So it's a wire, and the light, as you can see, it's on, always on. So I don't connect anything to the live wires, just to show you how it will work. Okay, so now it is not connected to the live wires. As you can see, I removed the wires already from those tabs. I can actually touch it, it's nothing there. And this is how it's behaving without any grounding to the shield. It's basically doing nothing. It's just flicking. The LEDs are flicking a little bit, but and I'm very close. I'm actually touching the wire antenna, and it's doing shit. Okay, so this is the ground, and ta-da! Come on, stay there. Keep it staying. Second, and then second, and yes. Okay, sometimes it's just stupid. Probably I touched the antenna and those. Yeah. It's trembling from here right now. So now is doing what is supposed to do. As you can see, I just touched there. Huh, where? Really? From here. Aye. So yeah. Let me put it from aside, from afar. Come on. That shit. It's not. So look at the blue LED. It's switching to blue and to orange. You see? Blue and orange, and blue and orange. This is only on off, on off, on off, and it's staying off. It should suppose it should be off all the time, but this is actually switching and staying on the switched option. I don't know. Yes. So basically, when it's Tem pola mea de drac. Și mă, dacă ești lipit în chizda, mătii. So basically, it's working fine. I'm not sure why. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. It's an antenna tweak. If I'm taking care of the antenna, it'll be a bit more sensitive or not. So that's it. That's it. This is it.